Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to air fry some of these frozen TYSON buffalo wings. I had some last night. They don't need no extra seasoning. They don't need no nothing. They were so good. I air fried them. And, okay, let's see what I do. I sprayed them with some olive oil. Then I air fried them at 450 for 25 minutes. They were nice and crispy, golden brown, and delicious. They didn't need another lick of anything on them. So now I also got some of these pecan smoked chicken wings. I've never had these, but I've heard good things about them. Y'all know Cooking with Doug, him and his Facebook group people, they like these a lot. So I'm going to try them today. So let's get started. Let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Y'all can see. I'm using my CruxGG 9-quart Trizone air fryer. I have to think about it. I'm cooking both the sides. I got foil up under that crisper tray. I'm going to spray the crisper tray with some olive oil. I can cook on one side, two sides, or just take out the divider and just cook in the whole thing. But I like cooking on, I like the divider in it. Especially if I'm cooking chicken. That is outside and that phone ringing. Just a minute, y'all. Okay. Look how big this is. You don't need to put no salt or nothing on it. I love these flats. These are stuck. They're breaking apart. You're supposed to cook them from frozen. So don't be throwing them out. There's feathers on here. How they gonna freeze something with feathers on it? That is trifling. Look at these feathers. That's trifling. Ew. Ew. And I did have to flip them over. Okay, now I'm going to open the other bag. There's only 3 flats left in here. Leave them in here. I'll do this later. Open this. That's the way to open it. Pecan smoked. Don't smell no pecan. They look like this. So I don't know how these taste. That's what you look like a, huh? Well, answer it. I'm in here. Just a minute, yeah. Okay, I had to take that phone call. I'm waiting for my oncologist to call me at 3:30 for a phone visit. Rather, instead of me coming in, she asked me what did I want the phone visit or to come in. I said the phone visit. I didn't think at the time that I'm still going to have to pay this through the copay, just like if I had came in. I don't know what kind of chicken this is. Look at this balled up mess. It better be good.
No, not now. You ain't for now. That's all for now.
I bought 2 bags of the Tyson. Who's this by? I don't even know the name brand. Juicy Tender. No, that's not the name. I don't know who these are by. Walter getting beat up by Mackay. Okay, that's enough.
Yes, not.
I'm gonna spray these wings. I need to fill this back up. I hope these are seasoned. I don't know. Let me read this. What's on these? Nope. Let me season these bad boys. Since this is handy, this is what I'm putting on. Old Bay. This was handy from yesterday. Okay, that's good. I ain't putting nothing on these others. That's good. That's how they look. Pull this out. Plug it in. Ouch. Okay. This is sitting on something called a glide mat. So I can push this back and forth freely. Because it ain't supposed to be jammed up against the wall. Because the air needs to circulate. Dual mode. Left side. Air fry. 450 degrees. For 25 minutes. And right side, air fry, 450 degrees for 25 minutes. And start. Okay, so I will be back. Okay, here's the finished product, y'all. Okay, those are the pecan smoked wings on this side. These are the buffalo wings. Okay, I'm gonna taste one right quick. Okay, I'm gonna taste a piece. Okay, this is the, ouch, it's hot, buffalo. It's hot. How it looks. You hear that crispiness? That's what don't need no seasoning on it. Okay. I will be buying those. Now this is the pecan smoked. So it looks on both sides. Now I'm gonna see how it tastes. And I put seasoning on this.
gonna have his hair braided. I'm just waiting for it to braid. I want him to have hair. How's that crazy?
I taste a smoky flavor.
How can you say, I want him to have long hair? Now, if he grows up, when he's 4 and says he wants a haircut, then I'll put it. Oh, whatever age.
I wonder what took me so long to try this. Crispy.
I'm just saying, I'm not. Why? Just because he's a boy?
Okay, these cooked at 450 for 30 minutes. This air fryer, it takes a little longer to cook when I got both sides going. Yesterday I cooked these wings at 450 for 25 minutes. They were just as crispy. So it took 30 minutes today because I was using both sides. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bon appetit. Bye.